In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your account on the Photoroom app, whether you've decided to take a break or you're no longer in need of its services. Removing your account is a straightforward process, especially using the mobile app. So let's dive right in and guide you through the steps. Firstly, open the Photoroom app on your mobile device. This is the quickest way to manage your account settings, since the mobile app tends to be more intuitive for these tasks compared to the website. Once you're in, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen, and you should see an icon labeled Content. A quick tap on that, and you'll be moving forward in this process. Next, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. Here, you'll spot your account name. Give that a tap as it will open up the Team menu. This menu is essentially your gateway to managing all aspects of your account, from profile details to team settings if you're on a collaborative plan. Inside the Team menu, you'll want to find and select the Manage Account option. This is where the magic happens for making significant changes to your account profile. Tapping Manage Account takes you a step closer to deleting your account. Now, within the Manage Account settings, look for the option that reads Delete Account. Selecting this option indicates that you are certain about wanting to remove your account from the Photoroom app. However, before you proceed, there's a crucial point to consider. If you're currently on a paid plan, deleting your account does not automatically cancel your subscription. So if you're looking to fully end your engagement with Photoroom, make sure you've also handled any subscription issues separately. After selecting Delete Account, the app will ask for confirmation. This is your chance to back out if you've had second thoughts. But if you're sure, confirming the deletion will complete the process and your account will be removed from the app. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of deleting your account on the Photoroom app. Always remember, if there's ever a need or desire to return, you can simply sign up again with a new or existing email. Thanks for watching, and as always, we're here to assist with any further queries you might have regarding your digital journeys.